In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Blender on your Mac step by step. Blender is a free and powerful program that you can use for 3D modeling, animation, visual effects, video editing, and much more. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Brave, or any browser you prefer. Next, go to blender.org. Once the website opens, select Download in the top menu. The website should automatically show the correct download for your Mac. However, make sure you select the right version for your processor. Choose Apple Silicon if your Mac has an M1, M2, M3, M4, or newer Apple chip. If you have an older Intel-based Mac, select the Intel-compatible version when available. To check which processor your Mac uses, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select About this Mac. Once you've selected the correct version, click Download Blender. The download will now begin. Blender is a fairly large application, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Blender installer file. A new window will appear showing the Blender application and the Applications folder. Click and drag the Blender icon into the Applications folder. Wait a moment while Blender is copied to your Mac. Once the process is complete, close the installer window and eject the Blender disk image. You can also move the downloaded .dmg file to the trash if you no longer need it. Next, open the Applications folder and double-click Blender. The first time you open it, your Mac may display a message saying that Blender was downloaded from the internet. Click Open to continue. Blender will now launch, and you can choose your preferred language and setup options. Once you're finished, click Continue or Save New Settings to open the main Blender interface. And that's it. Blender is now downloaded, installed, and ready to use on your Mac. You can start creating 3D models, animations, visual effects, and other creative projects. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.